Hey, mail call. What do we got? You got a knife. You always got a knife.
Yeah, whether or not it's sharp enough, right?
Yeah, there's a line down the middle of that. There you go. That works better.
Oh, look, balloons.
Ah, so this is some stuff. So I'm working on an article on Tablesaw precision. So I'll use my knife this time. There you go. These are setup blocks. And you know, a lot of people think about setup blocks as, you know, just the little ones like this for setting router bit heights or blade heights or whatever. But you know, one of the things with these, it's got the 1x2x3. So if you're trying to do, you know, a dado 3 inches over, you can use this, or you can stack alongside. And people just, you know, don't always think of that for setup purposes rather than having to measure, because then you'll know you'll be exact. So one of the things that you can do, nice lightweight aluminum.
Yeah.
But also aluminum, so when you leave them there and then start your saw up, you know, like you're not supposed to.
Doesn't hurt your saw blade.
Yep.
These are some big calipers, Dave.
They are big calipers. That's because I'm old and they have a big display on them. And that display reads in fractions because, you know, I ain't no machinist. So I need terms that I can understand, like 1/4.
That is nice.
Yep. And these will also, the biggest reason for these, you know, not that we get into, not that I have to measure stuff that often, but these have the little depth gauge on them too. So measuring depth of cuts, depth of dados, etc. So
nice.
yeah, haven't given them a go yet, but it's really surprising how inexpensive this stuff has gotten, and super handy. We've got more things coming too for, you know, just ways that you can cheat. Some of us are measuring impaired sometimes.
Sure.
So,
well, not everybody's saws or scales are hooked up
accurately. Yeah.
Yep. So this stuff does help.
Yeah, it does.
I really like the large readout on that.
Yep, I know. Yeah, it's we probably won't be able to see it, but it's serious. And again, I like you can go millimeters or decimal or fractions. So I don't even know what those millimeter things are, but I know what the fractions are. And decimals get way too many numbers for me.
Yeah, well, they tried to teach us at one point, but gave up.
Yeah, exactly. So
Very
there
cool.
you go.
Very cool.
All right. It's got a warning label, so it has to be good.
Giant ruler.
Could be. Almost a giant ruler. So again, Wixey, the folks that make the digital angle scale, this be obviously a digital protractor. All right, let's see if we can get this baby open. You know, I don't hurt myself with woodworking tools. I hurt myself with the packaging that woodworking tools come in. And we won't be able to tell on our wooden bench here. I haven't put the battery in. But the thing that I liked about this one, they make them in a lot of sizes. And I got a bigger one just to show. But the edges are magnetic. So you can, like, you know, magnetize it down to your saw table, click over to your blade, so you don't have to worry about.
So they do make them in smaller versions.
They make them. Yeah, I didn't think I ordered the Gigantor one, but apparently I did. I might have to get the smaller one too. But yeah, so you know, for setting blade angles or miter, the other reason I thought about this one is for layout and also for like blade to miter gauge. You've got a lot of reach out to your miter gauge there. And again, having the magnets makes it so you don't have to worry about whether you're holding it tight against your saw blade or not. So
very nice.